So I'm in Magliano Sabina and I wanted to talk about this supercharger. There are 4 stall 250 and another I think 8 stall 150. So if you see the guy there, he parked and it has a lots of space, but this guy, look at how I had to park to open the door. So I didn't touch it, but like maybe a centimeter. And the problem is that this stall is too close to the door. So, you know, so when you open this now, for a person that gets out, if I don't park like that, it's very difficult to get out because there is the cable too, okay? And I had to park so close because otherwise it doesn't open the door. So last time I parked like maybe 10-15 centimeter and the door was 1 centimeter from the stall. So they screw up the space here of the supercharger. The stall should be down there near the wall, and so I could park in reverse. You know, the other guys, they have a lot of space, so they have no problem. But this guy has issues. It's bad. So let's hope that maybe when they upgrade to version 4, the supercharger, they will update this. You know, they move the stall down there or something like that, because otherwise it doesn't make any sense. Look at this. That's like 1 centimeter. This sucks. Anyway, please leave a like to the video, subscribe to the notification, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.